Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through how to make a customized schedule pretty quickly. So you're going to start out by going to canva.com. Just sign up for the free account. You do not have to pay. So you're going to start out by hovering over templates and going on to Instagram posts. This will just set you up with a nice square, even template. Click on the first option that says create a blank Instagram post. And I'm just going to walk you through what I did. So I started out by picking some text. I added a header and I typed in the week. So this week was the 22nd to the 28th. I just blew that up a little bit, centered it. Then I wanted to pick the background. I did want to match it to my desktop background. I was going for more of like a lavender color. Then I chose my text and I made it the same color as my background, and then I went to the color picker and made it just a little bit darker because I kind of wanted to keep it in that color theme. Then I went to elements and I picked the first line that you see, and I made that the same color as the text. I copied and pasted it and made it into a T. Then I centered everything. So then I'm going back to text and I'm just adding the days of the week for the left-hand side. So I'm just going to resize it to my liking, and I went ahead and picked one of the fonts that I liked. You do not have to get the pro version to find cute fonts that you like. There are a ton of free options. Once I settled on a font, I just made it the same color that I have everything else set as. For the actual schedule part, I just copied and pasted Control-C and Control-V the days of the week, and I just typed it in just so that they're formatted properly. So I just highlighted my most important events or things that I had to do for that week. If you want to find cute designs, just go to elements and type in flowers. Make sure you click the filter and then check free so you don't see the ones that you need a pro account for. So I'm just scrolling through here, looking around, seeing what fits, what doesn't. You can change the color of these. I didn't use these personally, but I just threw it in there to show you what you can do. My last step is usually just highlighting the entire thing, grabbing it and centering it. One of the reasons I like Canva is that it has a grid that it'll auto lock to, so you don't really have to worry about if something's off center, because if you're hovering around there, it'll click in there for you. Lastly, I just want to show you how you can download and save. You can click file type and save it as whatever you want. I usually do PNG. I have 2 pages here, so I'm just going to go ahead and select the first one and just click download, and it'll usually pop up on your desktop. Just if you want to see how I actually installed this widget on my desktop, I just uploaded a tutorial on that previously. I'll have it linked in the description. Please comment if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.